Reiki intention slips are basically used to write your intentions, your dreams, your goals into a piece of paper. It can be any piece of paper, it does not matter really. Because what really matters is that you write down what you want in simple language. It can be any language because Reiki is an intelligent energy. Reiki understands your intentions. Because this technique is for Reiki first degree practitioners, we are writing it down in a physical form on a piece of paper, and we are giving Reiki to something which is more physical. Reiki second degree practitioners use some other techniques for achieving the same results. Now, once you have written it down, you can roll it or fold it and put it in a Reiki box, or you can keep it in your purse, pocket, or your locker and keep it. And once in a while, you can give Reiki to that. Now, the important thing is, once you've asked Reiki what you want, there's nothing to do. Reiki will do whatever is required and will help you in achieving your goal, your dreams. The universe will be aligned to what you want, or something better than what you want, which is for your highest good, and will deliver to you. So once you ask, then you are going into a receiving mode and you just receive what you've asked for. There's nothing else required to do. And the best thing about this technique is you can put the goals, intentions and desires and dreams of your loved ones, your family, your friends into the Reiki box, and once in a while you can give Reiki to that box. And in this way you can help a lot of people in achieving their goals. So I wish you have learned something in this video, and stay in touch, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon. Thank you.